Have you ever pondered the intricacies of how property is legally transferred in India? Unraveling this mystery takes us back to the year 1882, when the Transfer of Property Act was brought into existence. This act, a cornerstone of Indian property law, serves to define and amend the laws related to property transfer by the actions of living parties. The Act's inception marked a significant shift in property law, aiming to provide a clear, systematic, and uniform law for the transfer of immovable property between living persons. This framework only covers transfers of immovable properties, excluding transfers by operation of law and transfers of movable properties. Now, what exactly is a transfer as per this act? A transfer, in the context of this law, is an act done by a living person to convey property to one or more people, or even to themselves, either in the present or the future. This concept of transfer can be further broken down into two distinct categories: transfers by the act of the parties and transfers by law. This act also sheds light on some crucial elements that are fundamental to understanding property law, such as the essential elements of the Transfer of Property Act, the types of transfer under the Act, and the defining features of the Act itself. But how has this Act evolved since its inception in the late 19th century? Over the years, countless amendments have been made to refine and perfect the Act, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective. These amendments have helped to clarify ambiguities, address loopholes, and adapt the law to changing societal and economic conditions. In summary, the Transfer of Property Act of 1882 provides a comprehensive legal framework for the transfer of immovable property in India. It defines what constitutes a transfer, outlines the two primary ways in which a transfer can occur, and highlights the key concepts and principles underlying property transfer law. This act has evolved over time through numerous amendments, ensuring it remains a relevant and effective tool in the realm of property law. So, next time you find yourself contemplating the legalities of property transfer in India, remember the Transfer of Property Act of 1882. It is this law that provides the structure and guidelines, ensuring that every property transfer is conducted in a clear, systematic, and uniform manner.